General disclaimer. Welcome to this official presentation on Affiliate Marketing Model 3.0. All presenters are providing their services on a volunteer basis and are active participants in all products they are presenting. Their views and opinions do not necessarily reflect those of the organisation. While we aim for accuracy, errors may occur. All content is for informational purposes only. The information provided is general and not personalised advice. We are not liable for any losses. We provide information and systems, but we do not endorse any purchases of memberships. Your decisions are yours alone, so we advise conducting thorough research. If uncertain, seek guidance from a qualified professional. Attendees accept these terms by continuing to view this presentation. Let's explore affiliate marketing cautiously and curiously. Legal disclaimer. You are viewing an Affiliate Marketing 3.0 official presentation. All products and services, their component parts and operating methods and systems, either provided by or created by Affiliate Marketing 3.0, belong solely to Affiliate Marketing 3.0. All IPs are protected. Anyone copying, distributing, or reselling any Affiliate Marketing 3.0 product without express permission risks serious legal consequences. Any unauthorized broadcasting, live streaming, or social media sharing of Affiliate Marketing 3.0 presentations is strictly prohibited. Downloading and re-uploading presentations without permission violates copyright law and may also lead to legal consequences.
Hello, everybody, and welcome. Welcome to 3FO presentation or event today. We're looking forward to the presentation that we may have. And if Chavez happens to drop in, then we'll also be able to go ahead and go that direction. So now, to get ready, I believe that what we want to do is get our notebooks out and our pens out and get ready to take some notes, jot down some questions, because we always have an opportunity either on Friday or during a community call on Sunday to answer your questions. And so that's what we're going to go ahead, how we're going to proceed. Now, it looks like we have plenty of room for folks to go ahead and come in. So why don't we take a minute before we get started and make some phone calls or send out some texts and let folks know that we are ready to go. My name is Grace, and it gives me such great pleasure to be able to introduce ever so briefly a lady who really doesn't need any introduction, but let me go ahead and give it a shot. Okay, we have our very own Lucky, and I love that name. Okay, I'm going to adopt it one of these days, steal it from her, because it has like the Midas touch. As far as the name is concerned, because not only is she our number one fan, and really this community, she's the number one fan, okay? And we are her fans as well. So it's a mutual symbiotic relationship here. But she is very, very knowledgeable about how this company, the direction that it is going, and because she participates very much in the decision-making process after conferring with her leaders and being able to talk to Chavez. So Lucky, we are so fortunate to have your leadership and your insights. So if you could go ahead and share a few words of wisdom with us, spill some tea, that would be fine.
Thank you, Grace. Thank you for your kind words. Good evening, everyone, and welcome to UK Prime Time. Today is a super exciting day because Chavez has finished almost everything around the deployments done. So today he's going to come in with everything ready. So he needs another 20 minutes before he gets in. So we wait eagerly wait for him to, I want to see what's in the house, what's in I can't even think of a word. I'm super excited, Grace. So what will happen today? I think he will give access to the Autobot to a couple of leaders, and then by Wednesday, he said we'll be able to go ahead and ready and start whitelisting the whole community. So I am excited. So what we'll do for next 15 to 20 minutes while we wait, we'll ask Joe to go ahead and do a short presentation for us around Rift. So thank you, Grace, and I will catch up with you later.
Okay, Joe.
Okay. We're bringing you 3FO, the next generation of operating system, which is Web3 powered, where you can earn Ethereum on a daily basis. And that's with a single investment into an ignition pack. Along with your ignition pack, you get a liquid pay card, protocol yield whale pass, and an LFG starter pack. Liquid pay, of course, our own crypto Visa card that is bringing to the world DO banking. You also have access through 3FO to be able to buy the COD20 NFT miners and the BTC20 smart chain nodes. And these bring you, you have either the $50, the $500, or the $5,000 miner. And this brings you 2x earning potential through 3FO's affiliate income plan. So let's have a quick look at how this works. Now, 3FO is at its base an investment system where you have the ability to invest your Ethereum and you can earn enhanced returns through optional BTCC staking. So you can see you can add BTCC and earn additional yield. And the objective is to move through these panels, increasing your weekly percentage, increasing your weekly Ethereum earnings. With this single $500 investment, this gives you enough return to be able to move through each of these panels. This is a self-funding system. So the ignition pack gives you $2,000 return, which is enough to move up to panel 3 and enough left over to activate the ignition pack. And that's the same for all of these panels right across the board, a completely self-funding system. Now, this is possible through Alpha AI. Alpha AI is a super advanced AI trading signal system. And we employ traders to work in partnership using Alpha AI signals to generate these Ethereum returns. So these are real Ethereum returns. And you can see, well, this is an old screenshot. We now have over 2 million in the P&L, but you can have a look and see the returns on some of these trades: 18x, 13x, 9x, 28x. Alpha AI is working exceptionally well. And these are just some of the traders that we are employing that use their own years of expertise and working hand in hand with Alpha AI to generate these Ethereum yields. Now, of course, over the last couple of weeks, we have been introducing our brand new trading system, Rift. Now, Rift is a routing intelligence futures trading. That's what Rift stands for, routing intelligence futures trading. And Rift is the next generation of futures trading platform that combines intelligent routing, automated execution, and non-custodial infrastructure to enable seamless trading across cryptos, stocks, and commodities. And this is built on the Hyperliquid system, and it delivers fast and transparent and institutional grade execution while keeping users in full control of their capital. To coin somebody who's in the panel tonight, Rift makes complex trading simple and easy. And I think for those of you that have used it, you can see just how simple it is. Rift operates with an AI system that analyzes the market and puts together a trade on a card that it offers you. You can choose to accept or to decline that trade. The AI operates by choosing, not just choosing the trade, but also by setting the parameters of that trade, the take profit or the stop loss. Setting it up so that it is protecting your funds, so that if that particular trade goes down, then your losses will be minimized, but at the same time setting a take profit so that if the token goes up in value, you are able to maximize your profits. And of course, what we are looking forward to seeing is the automated system. Now, how do you acquire your Rift license? Well, first, let's just make a bit of a point of clarity. You are purchasing it with USDC, which is converted into RUSD within the 3FO system. So this is USDC that is deposited on the base network. Now, I point this out in with a little bit of emphasis, because to deposit funds into Rift for trading, you are depositing on the Arbitrum network, but to buy the license, you are depositing on the base network into 3FO. All deposits made in USDC are on the base network and will be automatically converted into RUSD for purchasing the Rift license. And you have a couple of options on your purchase. Your first option is 100% RUSD, 100% USDC, or you can use 80% RUSD and 20% of Ethereum that you have already in your existing 3FO system, or you can use 80% RUSD and 20% Capital 3.0 tokens. For anybody that has migrated your Capital 3.0 tokens over to 3FO, you are able to use 20% contribution towards the purchase of a Rift license. So users can unlock up to 3x earning potential with a 1 to 2 BTCC staking ratio, or 2x earning potential without BTCC staking potential. So within the affiliate system, by staking BTCC, you can enhance your potential affiliate income through the sales of Rift licenses. Now we have 3 licenses available. We have Microflow, we have SmartFlow, and we have AlphaFlow. Microflow is $100, gives you potential without BTCC staking, $200 of potential income through the affiliate model. And with BTCC staking, you get $300 of potential income through the affiliate model. And this is a smaller trade size and a small, stable, automated trading system. SmartFlow is $500. Without BTCC staking, you've got $1,000 of income potential through the affiliate model, or with BTCC staking, that's $1,500 of earning potential. And this is a slightly more aggressive style of trading, slightly larger trades, but a more balanced style of performance, giving you a slightly higher potential return on your trades. And we have AlphaFlow, which is $1,000, gives you $2,000 without BTCC earning potential on the affiliate model, or $3,000 earning potential with BTCC staking. And this is a slightly more, one might say, the max style of aggressive trading, with slightly larger trades, with slightly larger risk factor, bringing you larger potential trade profits. Each of these licenses has a 365-day validity. Yes, pay once for the whole year. And users can purchase any Rift license to activate their desired intelligence trading mode. And Rift license activation offers high yield potential with boost from BTCC staking. So we are also introducing the 3FO Ethereum reserve, and this contribution to the reserve method is adopted by cryptocurrency exchanges and financial institutions to demonstrate that they hold sufficient assets to back the funds under their custody. And it plays a vital role in building trust and transparency within the crypto industry by ensuring that customers' assets are secure, properly maintained, and fully accounted for. 20% of the user's total Ethereum rewards will be allocated to the contribution to 3FO Ethereum Reserve, strengthening asset backing while delivering long-term value to the community. Now, obviously, we are an affiliate marketing company, and that means we have an affiliate marketing system, and we run a uni-level income plan. So by investing in an ignition pack, staking BTCC, you can unlock hundreds of thousands of dollars of potential income. By investing in ignition pack, by investing in a Rift license, or investing in a BTCC product. So this is how it works. To activate your level 1, you need 2 active directs, a minimum business volume of $1,000. And this can be achieved by selling ignition packs, or 21x miners to 10x miners, or selling a Rift, or selling Rift licenses, or a mix of those. And you qualify for an income of 10% on that first level. Second level, 3 active directs, $1,500 of business volume, 5%, all the way down to 7 levels. Just within these 7 levels, you can build a massive business and earn massive income and help others to do the same. But of course, if you really want to drive this business forward, then to get paid on the remaining 8 levels, then you need to start hitting the ranks. So when you hit rank 1, you get paid on 8, 9, and 10. When you hit rank 2, you get paid on 11, 12, and 13. And when you hit rank 3, you get paid on levels 14 and 15. And the objective is to go a minimum of 20 people wide so that you can be paid a maximum of 15 levels deep. Imagine the size of income that you're going to be earning. Imagine the people that you can help to build a massive business and earn a massive income. Now, these commissions are very, very important because this is how it works. And if we just use the ignition pack as the example, so the ignition pack gives you $2,000 of return. Well, this is the passing of time. So if you bring in 10 people, and let's assume you're retailing a product at $500, 10 people, that's $5,000. So you've now qualified for a 10% commission of $500. That $500 is deducted from the $2,000 of yield from your ignition pack, and it is delivered to you the next day, which means you now only have $1,500 remaining to claim. Imagine doing this for 3 more weeks. That means that you have claimed all $2,000 of yield in just 1 month instead of 4.5 years. This can be accelerated exponentially by simply growing the community and introducing people into this awesome ecosystem. The objective is to grow your commissions, reinvest in panels, earn more Ethereum. Now, of course, we have a rank reward system to reward people for their efforts and the contribution to the success of the company and the growth of the community. In order to hit the ranks, you need the required number of active directs, the required minimum team size, and you need 4 active legs for rank 10. You need a minimum business volume in RUSD only, and you need to maintain 3 active legs on a 40-30-30 ratio. So let's break that down into a little bit more clarity. So to hit rank 1, you need a minimum of 3 active directs, a minimum business volume of $15,000, a team size of minimum 30 people. You receive $1,000 in Ethereum. For rank 2, minimum active directs 4 people, $45,000 of business volume, a team of 75, you get $3,000. Rank 3, you need minimum active directs of 5 people, $125,000 of business volume, 200 people in your team, and you get $5,000 of Ethereum. So just across these 3 ranks, you're earning $9,000 in Ethereum. Now, with these 3 ranks only, these can be achieved with 100% Rift sales. So now to hit the ranks, the sales of ignition packs is not counted, and nor all BTCC packages. This is 100% Rift sales to achieve these business volumes. And the 40-30 ratio is thus. So 40% in one leg, 30% in another leg, and 30% in the third leg. So this business volume must be distributed across three main legs of your business. So that would be, in this case, $6,000, $4,500, $4,500. It's the same for these two, 40, 30, 30. So these three ranks are all about building the foundations of your business. Okay, I've just had a notification that Chavez is with us. So I will stop right there and hand back to Grace.
Hey, Joe, thank you so much for that wonderful presentation, and so well done and quickly done. Chavez, where is he?
Hello, hello, cannot camera.
Okay, Joe, you have him co-hosted, please.
Oh, I will do that right now. Yes, sorry.
Thank you. Chavez,
There you go. All done.
hello. You are
Yeah.
always worth the wait. So we have been here. Joe has done a bit of a presentation reminding us why we're all here. And so now we're waiting for your update and what is going on with Rift. So welcome. Thank you for being here.
Thank you so much, Grace. All right, I just need to connect my phone once again and then I'll start. Welcome to UK Prime Time. I believe everybody's doing good. I'm really so sorry I'm late again,
No.
but I have really great news and information for you guys. Today, you are going to go back really, really happily from this Zoom. I have a very crazy surprise for you guys. With Rift, we will start whitelisting in 1 hour from now, and I have a really interesting present for the whole community as an income. So everything is ready. So just bear with me a moment. My phone, I believe, died or
Okay.
something happened.
Do we need to co-host your phone once you get it
No, no,
live
I'll
again?
share, I'll share it on my computer, not a problem.
Okay.
But this phone is not working. Hey Siri, shut down my phone. It's not even working. Okay, till my phone comes back to life. Let me share the screen and then go step by step. That would be more justifiable. Well, in terms of Rift, we were ready last night. In fact, today in the morning with everything in place, the auto trading engine running with everything that we wanted to change. Still, our team is working on implementing UI features or fixes in Rift to show you better how your trades, how your ROI, how your um, history is going to be visible. That thing is going on, but we are going to push it live, as I said, as I promised, for bunch of people for next 24 hours. Uh, precisely 48 hours. So by Wednesday, we will start whitelisting the whole community on the licenses that have been purchased or sold in the pre-sales. So this is done. Now the thing that we are left with is the auto trading engine UI changes or UI enhancements that we have just made or decided after looking at the interface after the final deployment. And I hope everybody is aware about the uh, previously determined and described fee structure that we have in Rift. Is everybody aware about the fee structure that we have? And so now that we are going live with auto trading engine and full-fledged app is going to, I mean, this is the MVP version that you were using was ready fit for trading, but now we are properly pushing the whole module live. So the entire app with all functionalities A to Z is going live tonight. That means the full-fledged fee structure will also be applied. It won't be applied today, but from Wednesday, the full-fledged fee structure, the models of the model that we discussed, that you all wanted, that you always thought that could be possible, we have already implemented everything. Is Eunice already here? Eunice, where are you?
Hey, Chavez, amazing, amazing. This is a great
Mm-hmm.
uh, news for us,
Mm-hmm.
because
So,
we understand from
mhm.
trading volume we can make a lot of money through this five level. Really appreciate it.
Guys, you guys have no idea what you guys are going to make from tomorrow. So, kind of unveiling or revealing what potentially you guys can make. I mean, everybody in this room who is listening to me, everybody who is going to listen to me in this recording has been part of affiliate marketing industry, you know. And in affiliate marketing, what you do, you sell products, you sell services, you sell investment opportunities, and then you make money on referral. And then your job is done, your commission is made, done. Uh, but the thing with Rift is it is a reoccurring or you can say continuous trading activity. With every single transaction, there is some earnings either in the manual trading mode or in the automated trading mode. Imagine you bringing 10,000 people or you bringing just 100 people, and with their every single transaction, you make money. You generate some kickback. So that is exactly what we have done. What affiliate marketing requires, we have delivered, we have formulated, and we have implemented. So I will discuss the fee structure step by step. So this is the new auto trading engine interface. Still, there is implementation of front, I mean the face that we had with PNL, ROI, and active trades. We are implementing that. So don't consider this the front face of auto trading engine. This will have more portfolio details first. It is underway. And then you will have alpha flow, smart flow, and micro flow activations. So this is how you add funds to the engine. You withdraw funds from the engine same way, and you can click on stop earning and you take out your capital from various strategies. So everything is in place, everything is working, and there then Eunice, you all asked whether can we see the trading activity or not? Yes. So all the trading activity, including the transaction hashes, so we have in the auto trading engine, we are trading in commodities, we are trading in forex, we are trading in crypto, everything. So each and everything is visible on chain, and you just go on transaction hash, copy it, and go to hyperscan, and that's it. So I think it's mhm. Let me, it's crashing. My phone is really acting today. I don't know why. Let me, it's the latest iPhone. That's what I can buy. But let me close everything once and share it again. So all the trades that auto trading engine is going to take, and it might be a large trade that will distribute profits to 10 different people. It might be a small trade that will distribute profit to two different addresses. So everything is done in that same order. Mm, okay, I'm back to the auto trading engine. Perfect. Let's try it now. Okay, so every single detail that you see in the app is visible with different transactions. And see, this is a share, this is Nvidia stock that is bought on Hyperliquid, and you can see the buy order or sell order, particularly for that particular trade. And basically, the point is everything is on chain, and all the trading activity is transparently visible, which was something I, always visualized that should be there, and community must have an idea as to how in terms of trading activity, Rift is trading and how it is bringing profits to you. So everything is on chain, everything is visible, you all can see, and also take inspiration as to how auto trading engine is working. And as I promised, by the end of April, we will have all the rest of other assets such as forex, commodity, and stocks also available in the opportunity card. So in the next update, we will have the opportunity cards also that will be visible with along with crypto of stocks, commodities, and forex as well. So auto trading engine comes well equipped with all the industries. It includes crypto transaction, it includes forex, commodity, stocks, everything at once. So this is all up and running. I last night I tested and already deployed my same $1,000 to AlphaFlow, and uh, in a cycle, whenever you deploy your funds, it takes 24 hours lock-in period to generate profits to you from the timestamp you add the funds into a certain strategy, and then it brings profits to you, and you can withdraw your profit or you can reinvest it at your own ease. So it is, I know it looks very complicated. Earlier it was very simple. Don't worry, we are simplifying it further. The previous screen that you saw in my auto trading engine is going to be the same. Team is just deploying it. Hopefully, in 1 hour from now, we will have it back. Now, let's discuss about the fee and account. How do you bridge funds and everything? Until now, you were using the app where the gas fee, where the bridge fee, where the transactions where, I mean, you paid just the platform fee till now in the manual trading mode. The bridge fee when you bring your Arbitrum assets and you get it converted into hyperscan, hyperliquid assets. We as a team we sponsored your uh, bridge fee and everything, bridge in and bridge out both. So moving forward from today, when we go live full-fledged with auto trading engine, not from today, from Wednesday, we will start charging the bridge fee, in bridge, out bridge, everything. So there will be a deposit fee, there will be a withdrawal fee whenever you bring the fresh funds, whenever you take out the funds, and along with that, you all understand, and I believe you all remember, there is 0.1% platform fee that Rift charges per trade. That includes your perpetual orders of the whole trading volume. If you trade with $10 with 100x, with 20x leverage, that means the fee will be levied on the total volume of trade that you execute. That includes the builder fee also that we distribute in the affiliate model that we already have, where you have a 5 level structure that you have placed inside. And then comes auto trading engine, where you get yield, where you get profits delivered by the auto trading engine every day to you. So on auto trading engine, there is no platform fee, there is a success fee. And as a community, I I mean, this is my idea and my ideology that it is good, it will be even better and equally, or I would say more motivating if we share the success fee with the whole community. So 50% of the success fee that we will charge per user is going to be distributed in the 5 level in the network. So the success fee right now in the auto trading engine will be starting with, I mean, currently at the launch, we will start with 10% success fee on particular profit, and 5% of that will be distributed in the network. I mean, this is going to be a crazy income in the whole network. If $500,000 of profits are distributed, then it is $25,000 distributed in the network in the 5 levels. Imagine you having 100 people uh, who have deposited, let's say, $1,000 each uh, in the auto trading engine, and they generating, 5% success fee. Uh, that will be distributed in the network. I mean, you all can calculate, not today, but you all can visualize from Wednesday how this little, I mean, with every single transaction, this is this is sort of a affiliate model that we have formulated, which pays you on sales, then it pays you on every single trade that you execute, that your people you referred they execute. It pays you with every payout that user receives who is brought by you. I think nothing can be more incredible than this for affiliate marketers in the world. Rift brings you earnings from 3FO on the sales, initial sales. Second, it brings earnings in the manual trading mode. Third, it brings you profits in the automated trading engine. Fourth, it brings you referral commissions on the manual trading. Fifth, it brings you 5% success fee that is levied on the auto trading engine payouts or profits. So we decided to distribute 50% of success fee with the community. And I think this is going to be really, really crazy rewarding. And of course, this will give a very big, you know, kickback to the users who come on board. I mean, this is an opportunity where whenever you introduce people, they benefit you, but every single time they receive profits for the whole year, you are benefited. Every single transaction brings you money. I mean, I have not seen any platform, I've not seen any, you know, uh, program, I've not seen any application, I've not seen any such model in the world that pays you, that gives you rewards for bringing people for every single transaction, every single cent they benefit with. So this is a craziest affiliate model that we have formulated in synergy with 3FO and Rift. Rest is all, I mean, yours. So from today, I'm delivering the engine to you. I am delivering the best paying out mechanism, best trading infrastructure that comes along with the 5 level referral model over referral model that you have sold the licenses. So I think nothing can be better than this. While having the full visibility of the biggest question in MLM, where the money is coming from. You all can see where the money is coming from. And that's not it. On top of this, as I said, we are continuously working on improving the whole foundation of opportunity cards on Rift. And the success rate that you see here, the win rate that you see here is our goal is to push it up to 70 to 80% in no time with improved, more predictable opportunity cards where there will be bigger chances of winning because of our improved algos, improvised mechanisms, and more learned, more advanced artificial intelligence model that we have deployed inside Rift. So, and on top of everything that we are doing in terms of providing a scalable infrastructure to bring a lot of people in, to benefit a lot of people at the same time, we are I mean, we are establishing an environment where user believes that whenever they put in a little extra efforts and they go and visualize some cards and they do some activity, they are rewarded even more. So that's the sense of excitement and the sense of participation that user gets, and the feeling that you have done something to gain something. um, so that feeling will stay intact with Rift always. And of course, our manual trading mode, human trading mode is going to improve a lot. And by looking at auto trading engine already dealing with crypto, stocks, forex, commodities, everything, you can see we just had a trade where auto trading engine just sold S&P 500 stock. We can copy the transaction, go to Hyperscan and check. So this is a transaction hash where S&P 500 stock was sold. And then you see there is a buy transaction hash of NVIDIA. So automated trading engine already deals in different industries as we proposed. The engine was always ready with crypto, with forex, with commodities, with stocks. So, and in no time, we will bring one more update in the manual trading mode, in the human mode, and you will have all these opportunities for yourself in the open market time, and you'll be able to make profits or make manual trades using uh, various cards that will be displayed for different currencies in forex, different companies in stock market, different commodities like gold, silver, crude oil. I can show you guys a bunch of more trades. Mm, See, there's a trade where copper was sold, and there's a huge volatility today in the stocks in US, so it's basically currently focusing on stocks. You can see there's a transaction of gold as well. So we are doing everything that brings user money, as simple as that. And whatever it takes to bring profits to you, auto trading engine does that. Whatever is available on hyperliquid, we are tapping into it. Auto trading engine is like a um, hungry carnivorous animal that is openly roaming in the forest. So it is a crazy machine that we have built that scrolls, that snipes profits in the market. And whatever it takes, it brings profit to you always. That is the promise of auto trading engine, and it does that beautifully. So yesterday, I deposited. So today, I will see April 13 at um, 8:16. I will see my first profit or reward from the trading. So, and you all can do that tonight. So I need email addresses of panel. How many are we in the panel?
I think about 6 of us,
Okay, I
6 or
need 10.
7, 10. We'll give you
10.
10.
10. So as soon as I have the email and license type they have purchased, um, we will have verification on 3FO, and then we will whitelist them. And yeah, let's go. Ready.
This is great, Chavez. I think the biggest thing is that we're able to see the transaction hash for
Wow.
Autobot is a game changer for us. You know,
It
that
is.
is first question I get asked. So
Mhm.
for us to have that is just amazing.
So I mean, having enough experience in our industry, we are also, quite expert in building products that answer all the questions upfront. So
Yes.
as I said, it is the result of all the failures in the past, all the shortcomings we faced as a company in the past, all the good work, Herculean work that we have done in the past. So Rift is the, conglomeration, or you can say the whole mixture or a good cocktail of all the, uh,
All the
you know,
learnings we had.
all the learnings that we had. And it's
Yeah.
perfect. It's just perfect.
Yeah.
Chavez, I have been watching the runs and reruns of Jaws 1, 2, 3, and Thrash. So, did we want to name the Autobot Jaws? Because it's a ravenous animal.
You can do that. You can do that.
That's the way they describe the white shark or the bull sharks in those movies. A ravenous creature. Uh, so, Eunice has a question for you, a comment.
Thank you,
Mhm.
thank you, Chavez. I just wanted to confirm what you say, and
Mhm.
it's true. Getting commission on trades was a system that was existing, but get commission on trade plus get a participation on the success fee. I believe we are the first to do that. And not only to the first to do that, the first to do that in a decentralized blockchain layer one. Because yeah, you probably can do it in a centralized exchanger, but know your keys, know your money. You give the money to somebody else. This is one of the things. The other thing, Chavez, is my other question is, you talk about a success fee of 15%. Am I correct?
10%.
10%. Okay.
And 50%, I mean, whatever is the success fee, let's say in future, as I said, the goal is to bring, because the product is full of utility. The whole engine from A to Z is full of utility. And if I don't do a token on Rift, then I'll be termed as the biggest stupid of crypto, having this kind of knowledge and understanding. I mean, we desperately need to go to a tokenomics and land Rift into a very highly, rewarding, or you can say a very massive utility token. So the whole tokenomics, not just story, it will be a fiction that we will be writing in the tokenomics. And everything will be supported by the platform fee, success fee, and why people are going to buy and hold tokens, what will be the utility, everything is going to bounce back. So
But Chavez, you're talking about the initial success fee will be 10 or 15%, just to
10,
understand the
10,
10. And from
10%,
that 10%,
mhm, 50%,
5%, 50% will be
5%,
5%. Exactly.
5%. Mhm.
Okay. This
Let's
is
say in future, we have one more strategy on top of Alpha Flow. And for that strategy, success fee is 5%. So 5% success fee means 50% of what that will be distributed in the network. So whatever will be the success fee in future,
half of that
will be
will be
able,
distributed.
half of that will always be, this is the smart contract logic that we have built for the community.
And the distribution will be in the same way commission are distributed.
In the same way, same way.
25%, 6%,
Uh-huh.
3.
Perfect.
Okay.
Same.
Perfect. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Chavez.
Okay. Chantel?
Yeah. Well, first of all, congratulations. I think that is really fantastic. The second thing I want to just make a compliment about is in the training that we had yesterday, you made a statement where you said, where you made it very clear. We're going from this scarcity thinking towards abundance thinking. And with the levels of income that you are sharing with the community, you're truly living and showing that abundance mentality. And then the last thing I want to really emphasize that what you are saying is you are not just you're not just bringing someone in who and you get a commission for it, but actually on every transaction you are earning money is how the mobile industry grew. It is the model that is in data and in cell phone technology. If you are selling one license, and in the prepaid business, that is massive, massive incentive, Chavez. And I support everything that Eunice has said about that. But I just, from that, coming from that industry, having owned businesses in that industry, and knowing quite a few people who have made a life on building those kind of businesses, that is an amazing approach that you took there.
It's going to be uncontrollable from Wednesday, that I know.
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah.
it's going to be crazy, really crazy. I mean, and the week after week, day after day growth that you all will visualize as a leader will give you more conviction, more conviction. I mean, conviction will increase like profits, like your P&L every single day, and you guys will go above and beyond. I think we need to develop, some, you know, crazy things to manage the volume that we are going to have. And good news is that we have already placed our servers in Japan where hyper liquid servers are located. So today we moved. That's why you were facing some difficulties in the app. So today we officially moved all the servers to Japan, and we are very close to hyperliquid servers now.
Super.
So it's engineered for the scalability. It's
Yes.
ready to bear millions of people trading with billions of dollars of volume.
Super. Super. And the fact that you're now also putting real world assets next to the crypto assets, I mean, it is showing where we're going, and you are absolutely confirming your promise.
Mhm.
And this is when I'm speaking to people and say, listen, this is a startup business. This is a combination of affiliate marketing and a startup unicorn, and you are making the path. And I really, on behalf of our communities and all the leadership, I want to congratulate everybody, and I want to congratulate everybody who's still here and who said, I'm walking this path. Because days like today are the moments where you say, we were right. Lucky, you were right.
Thank you, Chantal. Thank you so much.
Sorry, Grace, go ahead.
No. Go ahead, Lucky.
No, I was just agreeing with Chantal, and people have always asked us why we still believe and why we're still here. My top answer always was one, because I have responsibility to this community. Second, because I believe in Chavez's vision. I know what his vision is and what he's trying to achieve. And that's what keeps me here. And for you guys as leaders who believed in me because I believed in Chavez and still here. And I want to thank you guys and the community and now is our time, and I am excited. As I said earlier, I was lost for words because I was so excited. So yes, Eunice.
I just want to
While
answer.
while while you were talking, Lucky, we have the final UI also deployed. Team is working like crazy. So we have
Wow.
The
the
final.
UI ready. Yeah, it's
Amazing,
refined.
Chavez. Chavez, people ask me I know you will be whitelisting few people today,
Mhm.
but they asking when the 2000 or the first batch license will be whitelisted.
Wednesday.
Wednesday. Okay, just to confirm. Thank you, Chavez.
Just to make sure, because we are doing the controlled deployment. I am not taking a single cent of risk in any way. So I used it. I used the auto trading engine along with my team for last couple of days. I showed you guys how I generated profits and everything. But today, if it's going to the community, it should go to 10, 20 responsible people. That's it. And then you guys monitor your profits. You guys see everything, visualize everything. And until that, we keep on running pre-sales, and we close the pre-sales by Wednesday, by Tuesday closing of the business. That means Wednesday morning, we close the pre-sales. And from Wednesday morning, we halt the sales of licenses on 3FO for a couple of days, maybe 2 more days after whitelisting these 2000 people. And after 2 days, we open again for 2000 people. And post 2000 sales, we close it till Sunday. And then we open again on Monday for 10,000 people. That's how we will bring on board 14K people onto the auto trading engine, and we will be able to test, because the fee that I discussed about, the success fee, is not applied right now. Our team is still in the process of deploying the bridge fee, in bridge, out bridge, everything. So currently, the whole engine is ready, everything is operational, the deployments are done. I am giving it to you to test whether everything is working or not. We as a team will also visualize. I mean, and from Wednesday, when it goes to the people, also there is, okay, there is one more. uh, okay, yeah, there is one more fee, and there is a very good catch in that. So whenever you come and create a wallet to deposit, uh,
Mhm.
earlier you paid $1 to create a wallet, right?
Yes.
Self-custodial wallet.
Yes.
But currently, with the auto trading engine, we have multiple wallets created for users, because you withdraw and then you get whitelisted for three strategies. That means you have access to pool three times, right? And everything is operated with your signature. That means there is a self-custodial infrastructure that works with your signature, that is from the wallet that you have created and that you have the keys for. You have one wallet that is generated. So we will also, since we are, generating a lot of self-custodial wallets for you, so overall we will charge $10 as account opening fee on Rift on the first deposit, and this $10 will become $5 if you invite one person. That's it. Very simple. It will be, I mean, overall, it will be more than 4 or 5 wallets that will be created multiple times. So we are keeping it $5 for the self-custodial wallet creation. And if you invite people, then it becomes half. So $10 it is initial, and it becomes half when you invite just one person. So another motivation for people to bring people. And we are doing it in a very good way, in a
So,
very beautiful way.
okay, Eunice, and then I have a question, couple
Okay.
questions.
Chavez, this $5 will be for each person will be bring into the platform. Am I correct?
No,
Direct?
no, no. It will be one time. So
Ah, it's
one
only
you
one time.
bring, yeah, you pay $10. If you bring one person, you don't have to pay 10, you have to pay 5. That's it. And
Okay.
if they come and they bring one person, they have to pay 5. That's it.
Okay.
Very simple.
Thank you.
We could have done a kickback, but that would have become a whole, referral model. You invite 100 people, you make $500, but that would have made the app very heavy. I mean, I had the opportunity to do that as well. With every single person you refer, you get $5 kickback. That would have made Rift really crazy, really heavy in
Yeah.
terms of app. But nevertheless, do not worry about it. I'm going to deploy it and do it on the mobile application.
But this
Next
can
month,
be, Chavez, that can be something that we can discuss and we can do as
sure,
a
sure.
promotion, you see?
I
Promotion, you
have
see?
I have in my mind that you pay $10 as account opening fee, but whenever you bring someone, they pay $10, you get 5 back. And with every single sign up, you get 5 back. This is not something which is doable in TMA, but this is doable in the mobile application. And we have bundled the application to iOS and Android app already, and the app is Rift is under Merida only. So we have Apple and Google accounts already of Merida. So we just have to bundle the app and publish it in the stores. Wherever the apps they work, you use it. Wherever they don't work, you use a TMA. But the app will give us opportunity to do this kickback thing really crazy. And I think this will sort of make Rift very, very popular, because you get referral income on 3FO, then you bring people here on Rift, you get referral income once again. and you, with every single profit that the person generates, you get paid on on their success fee. You get paid when they trade, when they close the trade, you get paid. You get paid at every single event that the user, executes.
Yes.
So
That's
this is the
that's
crazy.
brilliant, Chavez. Yes, and also like we see, so we earn 5 levels deep. At the moment, when we go on the app, we see only our level 1. So is
Yeah,
there a chance for us to see the 5 levels
we can do
structure
that.
in
We
Rift?
we can do that. Yes,
Okay,
we
good.
can do. Mhm.
So,
These sort of Yeah, these sort of deployments are going to make our app more heavy. So that's why
Okay.
we did not pay a lot of attention. We only paid attention to the whole economics of
Yeah.
how it works. It works really I mean, if you guys have any calculation queries, then feel free to send it to me. We will clarify on the code level how much your levels they made and how much is income credited to you. As an example, if somebody has tested that I referred Joe on the first level, Joe referred Lucky on the second, Lucky referred Grace on the third, Grace referred Chantal on the fourth, Chantal referred Rajiv ji on fifth. We have 5 level structure. This is the fee that we have made. We can do email by email breakdown and we can send it to you guys as an example, just to demonstrate in the market, just to understand how it works. So
Okay, that'd be good. Okay.
okay. But for right now, if I go ahead and I refer Eunice, I have
mhm,
paid $10. Now,
you
what
have
will Eunice will pay $10? And when
so
will I pay $5?
so if you refer one person, you pay $5. If you don't refer, then you pay 10.
Got you. Okay. At the time, you kind of bringing them with you.
Mhm. So
Okay.
I will clarify. I am making it, give me couple of more hours. I'm making it more simpler. Till Wednesday, give me time. I'm just playing with features more. I mean, before we whitelist the whole community, we will make it more easier. I am trying to push team to deploy this referral kickback thing. If this is doable on TMA, this will go crazy, really crazy. If you bring someone, you get $5 on account opening also. That would really blow the whole thing upside down.
Chavez, I've got the license to ask dumb questions, so I'm going to ask my one dumb question here, and one of
Mhm,
these is going to be a Hail Mary. If we made a mistake and jumped the gun, and
mhm.
now we have joined Rift, we have opened up accounts on Rift, and we're not whitelisted yet. Is there any way to do a reset so we don't have to do a lot of changes, change email, do all of this stuff to go ahead and do it before we get whitelisted? Is there any way to
Uh,
punch a reset so I can?
I mean, it is something which is not doable technically, but I mean, I don't want to give extra housekeeping work to the team right now. But if it is the exceptional cases, like few of them, so before whitelisting, get it done with my team directly. I mean, it's their job. Give them pain. I don't want this, trouble right now because my mind is towards that $5, how it should come to you. I mean, let me put my energy into that. Mhm,
Okay. All right. Anybody else with questions,
mhm,
No, I
comments?
think, Grace, we just remind everyone in the community that Wednesday sales for this batch they will close.
Yes.
Then we will reopen Monday next week. So we'll start the whitelisting for the community for people who have purchased the licenses so far,
Guys, this is my
and
account, my email
and
address.
they will close early morning Wednesday, means tomorrow's closing business on Wednesday morning. So if anybody wants to buy a license before that, so we have the opportunity to buy tomorrow. And then we will wait, we will whitelist, and then reopen the sales on Monday next week. Is that correct, Chavez?
Mhm.
No,
Yeah.
we whitelist on Wednesday first, then
Mhm.
we close the sales on 3FO, hold the sales for 48 hours maximum, or we look at the operations. If everything looks good in 24 hours or 48 hours, whatever be the time, then we reopen for 2,000 people till weekend. And by the weekend, we close it again and then we open it for 10,000 people. I don't want to whitelist everybody at once.
Okay, got it. Got it.
Okay,
Amazing.
so
That's great.
so close sales on Wednesday, 48 hours whitelisting, and then open up for sales on Saturday.
Saturday, yes.
Something of that nature. Okay. And then
Open it in 24 hours or 48 hours, depending on the operations. We oversee how it works. Everything looks good. We open it and we go crazy in the market. I mean, that's you guys. You guys are not going to sleep, I believe, after Wednesday.
I think Chavez, once we have, so 10 of us have chance, because what we want to do is we want to whitelist all the trainers and presenters who are doing this and can show to the different communities, and that will just change everything. Before even we whitelist everyone, people would, because that's what everyone's waiting for right now. They're asking, people are asking Rajiv, for example, can you show us your results? People are asking my Brazilian leader, can you show your results? So I think once we as presenters and trainers can show our results in next day or two, it will change everything.
Okay, give me the emails right now.
I'm sending it to you now.
Okay, I can do it right now on call.
Amazing.
Not a problem.
Let me send.
Can I just ask one
yes,
question?
Shanta. Mhm.
Whilst you were let's say, I'm just calling it closing down sales for a moment. We can still make deposits. We can still be ready with our deposits, and then just when you open up, at that moment, people
Or
can buy
let's
the light.
make it more easier, Chantal, for you. I mean, good query. We keep the sales open, but we do not whitelist. We give
Yes,
you
yes,
opportunity to make commissions on 3FO. You continue doing that, but my team will not whitelist for that period of time because
yes,
sales are okay, but whitelisting will bring traffic to Rift.
yes. Understand. Totally.
Okay, so no more closing sales on 3FO. Sales will always be open, but the whitelisting will be halted for 48 hours. I mean, that would be,
That's
that's what I
better.
want. Yeah, as a,
Yeah, and it doesn't affect the manual trading or the
Mhm. No,
so it has no impact. It's just that's a
no.
complete separate
Because
circuit.
manual trading is only in crypto. Auto trading is in crypto, stocks, forex.
Yeah, yeah,
Uh,
yeah, yeah.
with-
Yes, perfect.
Mhm. Also, there is no restriction of volume. You can put $100,000, you can put $1 million in the auto trading engine. There is no restriction, and it is not a test version. It is the live version where I have been making money from last couple of days. Already, my team is making money from last couple of days. So
Mm.
anyone can put any n number of amount of money without any restrictions. There will be no such limits
Super.
or cap. Yes, sure.
Hey, Chavez, congratulations. It looks awesome. I've just transferred $1 million into my Nexo account to send over, so I'm ready. Just a quick question regarding once we reach normal sales, the point of where sales are freely flowing. When somebody does buy a license, what will the time period be for that person to be whitelisted for them to be able to begin using trading and using the engine?
Okay, so we will always keep it 24 hours, but we will do it twice in 24 hours. I mean, in terms of logistics as a team, we will do it twice, like 12 hours cycle, but we tell people that within 24 hours you will be whitelisted.
No problem. Thank you very much.
Just to keep, because people, when they buy, they will be so eager to get
Yes.
whitelisted. They will be like, okay.
Absolutely. And that's anticipating that question. As soon as somebody's bought the license, the next question is going to be, how long will it take for me to be whitelisted? So yes, thank you for that, Chavez.
Mhm.
And then Rajiv.
Thank you, guys. Show is unbelievable. This is something, matlab, I still am just thinking, I don't know, like, it's like too good to be true, actually. All the
Right.
things that have happened, it's actually too good to be true. So I'm like holding myself, but whatever you said and what we have seen on the manual side also, it's like crazy. Seriously, like I think there's a saying, sabr ka phal meetha hota hai. Patience bears sweet fruits. In
Mhm.
English, probably you'll say this. I wanted to ask question on this manual side. It is very difficult, like to do a trade of choice of my card. Like, I have to do Bitcoin trading. So by the time I am able to search for the Bitcoin, the graph has already fallen down or gone up completely. So that search button over there, is that coming?
Yes, yes. Search button is coming. Prediction layer is coming over the like opportunity cards powered by TradingView. We are building the whole. There's a absolutely new, or you can say additional prediction layer that we have built on top of opportunity cards that will show you predictability of winning the trade. And if it is more than 80%, then you go. If it is more than 70%, then you go. It's just like more organized gambling. I should not say gambling, but yes, it is an
Yeah, well,
organized.
yes, and
I mean, so
the manual thing is
open.
amazing.
Mhm.
Seriously,
It
the
is
manual thing is amazing. Like the kind of margin that it is making, if you're aware, if you know how to trade, I think it gives you more than what the bot will give you. The trading engine, auto trading engine will give you. It's so crazy.
auto trading is something where you just deploy some funds, you get consistent profits every single day, like a regular routine, and you bring on board people, and whenever they generate profits, you get paid on top of their profits. But the manual trading is your, work, or you can say the creative aspect of the app that gives you, something to do every single day, and you sleep with more, I mean, you have a more contained sleep every day if you make some money and you close the trades before going to bed. I mean, it's a wonderful feeling when you generate some amount of money on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, and you log it somewhere that I made this kind of money with my own skills,
Yeah,
which is going to be really, really helpful and incredible.
that's amazing, Shaz. Like congratulations and like your hard work of since last so many years, sleepless nights, and then that taking toll on your health, and then again you back to again those sleepless nights. We should not be actually there, but then in the end, seriously, congratulations. I think now this is the end of the beginning. So it is beginning. Yeah, it is like it is now continuous. It will be a continuous thing now.
Mm.
At
I
last,
think the
wow.
show starts from here. Until today, we were just, in the prelude or in the introduction, or you can say we were in the trailer. The real movie cinema begins from today. I think Rift is an incredible example of mixing affiliate marketing with a product, and product that has an inherent affiliate marketing layer inside it. I mean, this is something crazy level shit no affiliate marketer has ever thought or dreamt about.
This is true. This is true.
It's
All
crazy.
right.
Right now, I'll tell you, Chavez, the five level of distribution of money, the 33% which you had the earlier one. Forget about this. Today you came with something new, 50% of the success fee. That itself, with Eunice, we saw that is so crazy. People are not yet aware. When they understand like what is that kind of money, what will that bring in the five levels, it's like unbelievable. I just stopped looking at that. I said, oh, let me let me go step by step.
Mhm. I would tell you, I mean, groups which are actively trading actually in Vietnam, they're making like 50, $70 a day in with manual trading in Rift. And I cannot imagine what it would bring in the automated trading view. I think there will be screenshots of daily referral earnings, and we can do some rewards on highest referral earners, and we can, you know, I'm thinking of creating a club of highest referral earners and then putting them into a trading competition, giving them some money to trade, and then, making them, uh, we can do that. Um, Somewhere we
Don't
go,
don't spoil us too much.
yeah, we all go in a separate location, and I give you guys some funds and we all trade together and we see who wins. Kind of spree. So I'm ready for the list. I need a list and I can whitelist you guys right now.
Very good.
Sending right now, Chavez.
Mhm. If it is
Okay.
possible, list of email with license type in front in an Excel
Okay.
sheet. That would be
Yes, I'll do
nice.
that. I'm doing that right now.
Okay. All right. Fantastic. Any other questions or comments?
No, let's close. Grace,
You
please.
know, Chavez, totally amazing, amazing. When you say that something is worth the wait, you just sit there and you savor it, you savor, and your mouth waters. And then I like it when the delivery of the message or the pie is a lot sweeter than expected. And that's what you have delivered today. So,
Not had anything, Grace, from the morning. I'm really starving. And
okay, I
while
won't I
the
won't make any food references.
with the food references, my mouth is filled with. I need to grab something to eat. I've been
Okay,
drinking only tea from the morning, and it's really, really, my head is spinning now. I need to eat something.
we're going to let Chavez go eat, and
Mhm.
that's it. We'll see you all tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow, and then of course we'll see Chavez on Wednesday. Bye bye, y'all. Thank you so much. Bye
Thank you.
bye.
No, I will
Papalasalama.
be on call tomorrow as well.
Oh, you okay?
Also on this. Yes.
Okay.
Tomorrow we monitor every single auto trader we have, and we will see profits, we will see charts by if you all will deploy your capital right now, tomorrow by this time we will have your profits delivered. So
Okay, but you must eat
have to,
tomorrow before you come.
I will.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you so
All
much,
right.
everybody. See you all tomorrow.
Okay. Bye bye,
Thank
y'all.
you.
See you.
Bye.